Hi, I'm Dr. T. Subba Prinsila, and here to talk on the topic Agile HR. What is Agile HR? It is a modern approach to human resource management that focuses on flexibility, collaboration, and continuous improvement. It applies Agile principles to HR process to make them faster, more adaptive, and employee centered. Originally, Agile principles were very much applicable for software development, and considering all its benefits, it is now being uh, rampant in HR process too. Agile HR focuses on adaptability, responsiveness, collaboration, and iterative improvement within HR practices to better meet the evolving needs of employees and the organization. What's adaptability? It's nothing but the ability to quickly adjust HR strategies, policies, and practices in response to the changing business environment and workforce needs. Responsiveness. It's nothing but the capacity to address employee concerns, business challenges, and market shifts effectively, efficiently, and proactively. Collaboration is nothing but encouraging teamwork and cross functional cooperation to enhance employee engagement, innovation, and overall organizational success. Iterative improvement is nothing but it's a continuous process of making small incremental changes to a system, product, or process based on the feedback and evaluation. Each iteration builds on the previous one, gradually enhancing efficiency, effectiveness, and overall performance. What are the key components of Agile HR? Number one is iterative processes. It's nothing but implementing short incremental cycles called sprints for HR projects to allow constant refinement and improvement. The second key component is cross functional teams, collaborative teams that bring diverse perspectives to HR initiatives and decision making. The third important component is data driven decision making. It's nothing but using real time feedback and analytics to adopt HR strategies. For example, something called as Project Oxygen, which is being used by certain organizations. This initiative analyzed the internal data to identify the traits of the effective managers, leading to improvement in management practices and also increased employee retention. Likewise, Google entered into something called as algorithmic hiring. So this the team developed algorithms to predict candidate success, refining recruitment processes to select individuals more likely to thrive at Google. The fourth important component is employee-centric design. It's nothing but developing HR processes focused on employee needs, well-being, and productivity. Say, for example, offering adaptable work schedules and environments to accommodate individual needs and promote work-life balance. Similarly, integrating well-being initiatives into daily routines such as mindfulness sessions, fitness programs, or mental health resources. Then last one is continuous feedback loops. So what is continuous feedback loops? So establishing regular feedback sessions to assess, adjust, and also optimize HR strategies in real time. So, for example, we can say replacing annual performance reviews with continuous feedback loops, allowing for timely recognition and development. The next thing is we will look at what are the objectives of Agile HR. So, coming to the objectives of Agile HR, it is enhancing flexibility, that is adapting HR process quickly to meet the changing needs of the business and improving employee experience. So, develop a work environment centered on employee engagement and satisfaction, boosting collaboration. So, I think we have already discussed all this under key components. So, facilitating cross functional teamwork and transparency, increasing responsiveness, enabling the HR to rapidly respond to new challenges and opportunities, as well as promote continuous improvement. That is, fostering a culture of regular feedback and ongoing development. So we will look at the benefits of Agile HR now. So the benefits are improved employee engagement. So by focusing on employee needs, Agile HR is enhancing the morale and retention of employees in the organization. Number two, faster adaptation to change. So Agile HR can quickly adjust to shifts in business strategy or external factors. If you look at an organization called Spotify, it adopted agile HR methods to enhance its recruitment process. How did it do it? It formed cross-functional teams and utilized this iterative feedback loops. So by doing this, Spotify reduced its time to hire by 30% and improved the quality of hires by 20%. So Spotify fosters deep collaboration between talent acquisition and other HR functions, as well as with the broader business units. So this integrated approach ensures that recruitment strategies are aligned with the organizational goals, and collaboration with employee relations and learning and development teams allows this talent acquisition to provide candidates with a clearer picture of the company profile, company culture, growth opportunities, and support systems, leading to a more positive candidate experience. The third thing is enhanced productivity. So, what is enhanced productivity? It's nothing but cross functional teams and clear iterative process, streamline HR operations. So, when you say cross functional teams, the HR professionals collaborating with employees from different departments, say finance, IT, marketing, basically to enhance decision making and problem solving. So when it comes to iterative process, it's a step-by-step improvement where the HR continuously refines the policies and practices based on the feedback and outcome. This way, they're able to streamline the HR operation. That means ensuring that HR strategies remain adaptive and align with the business needs. Number four is better alignment with business goals. So Agile HR aligns closely with organizational objectives, improving the overall performance. Say, for example, a company that implements Agile performance management shifts from traditional annual reviews to continuous feedback loops. So this approach will enable the organization to promptly address performance issues, recognize achievements in real time, and adjust goals as business priorities evolve. Such agility ensures that employee efforts are consistently aligned with the company's objectives, leading to improved overall performance. And lastly, we can say higher innovation levels. So, continuous improvement and feedback now will promote a culture of innovation in HR practices, leading to innovation. So, we will look at a few applications of Agile HR in industry. Number one, recruitment. So, using agile methodologies for hiring process, such as iterative candidate assessments, um, uh, allows companies to adjust criteria based on real-time feedback. So, iterative candidate assessment is nothing but a process where the companies evaluate the job applicants in multiple stages. So, continuously refining the selection criteria based on real-time feedback. Say, for example, an initial screening may highlight gaps in the required skills. The candidate may lack certain key qualifications or experience, or their skills may not fully match the job requirements. Or the company may need to refine its criteria or adjust the hiring process to find better fit candidates. The company then adjusts interview questions or assessment methods to better identify the top talent. So each hiring cycle improves based on the previous learnings, ensuring a more effective and adaptable recruitment processes. Number two is performance management. If you look at Agile HR, it's focusing on regular constructive feedback rather than annual reviews, facilitating ongoing performance improvements. The third application is employee development. So, Agile learning programs provide employees with modular training opportunities, also adjusting content based on feedback and results. What is modular training? It's nothing but here the training is broken into smaller self-contained units or modules. So each module focuses on a specific skill or topic or an area of knowledge. Now, learners can complete these modules at their own pace, making the process customizable. And feedback based adjustment is nothing but after delivering a training module, feedback is collected from the participants regarding its relevance, clarity, and effectiveness. So trainers or HR teams now use this feedback to improve the content or delivery methods or structure for future sessions. Number four is onboarding. So if you look at organizations like Spotify and ING, they use agile onboarding where new hires go through adaptable step-by-step training process tailored to individual needs. The fifth one is organizational change. So Agile HR helps businesses, especially those in technology and innovation-driven sectors, manage and adapt to rapid changes, fostering resilience and flexibility. So let us look at a few examples. Organizations like Spotify and ING, onboarding process are designed to provide hires with a flexible, customized introduction to the company. So, what is Spotify's agile onboarding practice? So, Spotify uses an agile approach to onboarding that breaks down the process into modular, adaptable steps. Now, each hire, that is new hires, onboarding experience is tailored based on their role, background, and learning pace, creating a more personalized and supportive experience. So, if you look at Spotify, they have something called as a buddy system. Spotify pairs each new hire with an experienced buddy who provides guidance, answers questions, and also helps the new hire navigate Spotify's unique culture and processes. The second thing is adaptable learning models. So instead of overwhelming new hires with all information upfront, Spotify also delivers training modules and courses. For example, what they do here is technical hires may first focus on learning Spotify's tech stack, while marketing hires begin with brand guidelines and campaign. The third thing they do here is regular feedback. So Spotify collects frequent feedback from new hires and their buddies to improve the onboarding content and process. If certain resource or training sessions aren't effective, they are adjusted for the future hires. So this agile, adaptable approach ensures new employees feel supported and engaged, adjusting the pace and focus of onboarding based on each individual's feedback and comfort level. Number two is ING's agile onboarding. At ING, an agile onboarding process has been introduced to support their overall agile transformation. So, if you look at their onboarding, it is interactive and continuous, designed to empower new hires to integrate smoothly into an agile environment. Examples of their practices are interactive workshops. So, new hires participate in workshops on ING's agile culture, such as how squads and tribes function. So, this helps new hires understand their roles in the larger agile structure. Second thing is personalized learning path. New hires are provided with a roadmap tailored to their specific role. For instance, those in product development might begin with agile project management tools like Jira and Confluence, while those in customer service start with CRM tools and customer interaction protocols. The third example is early integration into agile teams. So rather than having a separate orientation period, new employees are embedded into agile squads early. They join daily stand-ups, sprint planning, and retrospectives, learning through direct involvement. So, by actively participating in agile practices from day one, ING's new hires gain a practical understanding of their roles and feel like part of the team immediately. So, this approach also allows ING to gather feedback and adjust onboarding for future hires. So, what are the benefits of agile onboarding at Spotify and ING? Number one is flexibility. So new hires are not forced into one size fit all onboarding. Instead, the process adapted to their learning speed and needs. Number two is engagement. By participating in the team's agile activities, new hires are quickly integrated to the company culture. And lastly, we can say continuous improvement. Feedback from each onboarding cycle helps refine the process, ensuring it stays effective and relevant. So, to conclude, Agile HR focuses on iterative improvement, employee centric process, and empowering HR teams to act quickly to foster a dynamic, responsive organization. Please remember, Agile HR is just not a methodology, it's a mindset shift that empowers HR to be a catalyst for organizational transformation and sustained success. Thank you.